We have been like 3 times winner of literary category in Spectra. It was started in 2017. Me and Komal man, we make a very solid team. We choose very good students, actually, those who speak good and those who are actually speaking facts. Because the more you speak facts, the more you get better, and the automatically everything is taking care of itself. Then in 2019, we had very good students like Dhirender, Dhirender and Ankit. I don't think so. We don't have to have introduction for both of them. They were already very trained, but I still kept on pushing them. I didn't like their performance, to be very honest. They were first prize holders, but I still thought that they could have done much better. Then we have Mrityunjay and Astan. Automatically, everything is falling into itself, and we're definitely looking forward to some people who can actually match them. Yes, and then let's see. Well, that's just what my motive was. I was only going to judge only one women because this was the event I was looking after, the literary event. So yes.
यदि हम भारतीय परिप्रेक्ष्य में स्टार्टअप्स पर दृष्टिपात करें तो ये आधुनिक भारत की ई क्रांति का ही परिणाम है कि भारत वर्तमान में दुनिया का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम है, जिसने पिछले 6 सालों में 270% की रफ्तार से बढ़ते हुए भारतीय स्टार्टअप बाजार को $140 बिलियन के अविश्वसनीय मुकाम तक पहुंचाया। अपितु ये भी सत्य है कि कोरोना महामारी से ये क्षेत्र भी अछूता नहीं रह पाया। परंतु मेरे मित्रों, सोने को जितना तपाया जाए उतना खरा होता है, और आज की युवा पीढ़ी में वो साहस है कि वो भारतीय स्टार्टअप की जगत को बुलंदियों की ओर ले जाए और भारत को फिर से विश्व गुरु बनाए। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा। मेरे मित्रों, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Especially in India. The answer isn't that simple, nor it's too complex. The Indian startup ecosystem has always came up with plenty of new ventures. In between 2008 to 2018, 49,000 new ventures came up. But the question is, how many of these succeeded? According to a report, 7 out of every 10 startups in India failed because of lack of innovation, funds, and human resources. Every startup in the beginning provides large discount to the customer to attract them. But when they try to increase their profit, this customer shift to another cheaper alternative. As a result, the cycle of losses keeps on going. At present, smart mobility, electric vehicle, along with large customers and multiple market segments can help India in boosting these startups. In the end, the idea behind the startups must change. We need new and feasible ideas which can help us in implementing good startups in India, and that can change the fate of startups in India. Thank you.
How does it feel like working for a tech startup company, especially in India? Actually, the Indian startup ecosystem has really taken off, and the factors that made Indian startup the most powerhouse of ideas are mainly the massive funding, consolidation activities, digital economy, evolving technology, and many more. In India, enablers, incubators are the firms providing startups with growth advice and decision-making tools. Then what's wrong? Actually, the Indian startups are being asserted for copying the foreign startups, for not having a definite plan. They always need a directional effort to improve their government policies. And as we know that nowadays, the predictions about startups are more in numbers than the startup itself. And as we all know, that getting idea or having an idea is much easier, but its implementation is way harder. Thank you and have a great